Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake quickly at home, full guide. Gather simple ingredients and preheat your oven to speed the process. Use room temperature eggs and melted butter to improve mixing and texture. Try a single bowl method to save time and reduce cleanup. Measure accurately and set a timer to avoid overbaking while multitasking. I'll walk you through each step so you finish a tasty cake faster. Skip lengthy steps and focus on shortcuts that keep flavor. Use self-rising flour to remove baking powder and salt steps. Substitute applesauce for oil for a lighter crumb and less measuring. Use instant vanilla and hot water to bloom cocoa if making chocolate cake. Mix wet and dry gently to avoid toughness. I'll explain timings, batter consistency, and simple flavor boosts to speed your bake. Choose smaller pans to reduce bake time and check doneness earlier. Fill pans 2/3 full for even rise and faster center cooking. Use convection setting or increase oven temp by 25 degrees F for quicker bakes, watching closely. Tent with foil if edges brown before center is set. Cool briefly in pan to finish cooking while you prepare icing. These small changes shave off minutes without losing quality.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.